Welcome. Are you looking to easily view your group list on WhatsApp? Knowing how to find your groups can help you stay organized and connected with friends, family, and colleagues. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to access your group chats quickly. Let's dive in. First, launch the app on your Android device. Make sure you're on the home screen where all your chats are displayed. Next, go to the Chats tab. You can find this tab at the bottom of your screen. Tapping on it will take you to your main chat list, where you see all your ongoing conversations. Now, swipe down until you see the Groups section. This section will be below your individual chats and is typically labeled clearly. Once you locate it, you'll see a list of all your group chats, allowing you to easily navigate and connect with any of them. If you want to access a specific group, just tap on it, and you'll be taken directly to the conversation. You can also create a new group from this section if you want to add more people into your conversations. And that's it. These simple steps will help you view and manage your group list on WhatsApp, making it easier to stay connected with those important group conversations.